friends. I'm Miss Kristen. I'm the Children's Library Outreach Coordinator at the Whitehall Public Library. And today we're going to do a density experiment. And for that, you need some water in a clear container, a spoon, a small object. We're using an almond, but try different objects, and some salt. I'm going to hand it over to my assistant.
So I'm just going to drop the almond in. You can experiment with other objects to see if they work for this experiment. So when I drop it in, as you can see, it sinks right to the bottom. So I'm going to take it out, set it down right there, and dump in some salt. And we're going to see, after I've dumped it in and dissolved it, if the almond sinks or floats.
So as we add the salt, it adds weight to the water and it increases the density because the water weighs more per unit volume. And if it doesn't work the first time, just keep adding more and more salt as much as you can and see if you can get it to work.
So I'm just going to stir that one more time. And I have not done anything to the almond. I have just added salt to the water. That's the only difference. And it floats.
So, thanks for joining us.
And have a great day.